A very good afternoon once again. Chief guest for the day, Shri Madhavlal, IAS Secretary, MSME, Mr. Uppal, President OGTC, my colleague Mr. Mehra on the dais, honored session chairman, invited speakers, delegates, members of the press, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. We are delighted to welcome Shri Madhavlal as the chief guest for this function. OGTC association with Mr. Madhavlal has been, I'll say, pretty old in the sense that when he was the development commissioner, he has been the guide to OGTC and has always encouraged us in all our initiatives. Thank you very much, sir, for agreeing to come for the function. I know the pressure on time. I know the complexities of the situation, but thank you very much, sir, for taking out the time. Sir, the OGTC to you doesn't need any introduction, but since the period we have been in contact with you, OGTC has been relentlessly working on the initiatives on building competitiveness. Now, the traditional three factors, that is cost, quality, and service for the market, to build competitiveness had never been, at least now today, are not enough. Today, the buyer is looking for something more. And when you try and identify something more, it has multiple definitions. The important being the environment, important being the social aspect of it, social responsibility. We are proud to say at OGTC that in addition to cost, quality, and service, we are working on environment through carbon footprint measurement project, and OGTC is committed to reduce equivalent of about 2,000 tons of carbon in the next 3 years. People have already started on the energy saving. On the social responsibility aspect, there are statutory regulations of ESI, Provident Fund, etc., etc. Those are, of course, adhered to. In addition to that, OGTC members are actively identifying through NGOs the physically disabled people, identify his disability or her disability, train them as per the disability, and provide employment in the member factories in the NCR, near the place of residence. Sir, in the last about 2.5 years or so, we have, our members have employed more than 250 physically disabled people, and the reports are that they are effectively and happily working. Both employer is happy and the employee is happy. Sir, you would recall the lean management exercise which we discussed in your earlier tenure of Development Commissioner. And I am happy to say that the OGTC member factories who joined the MSME scheme and also who didn't join it have been relentlessly following it, and from the pilot stage of the project have now gone into the stage of full lean transformation, which is an exercise. In some cases, it is a year or so, some cases it is more, as it's a continuing exercise. And as I mentioned to you earlier, in this session, we want to give certificates through you to the companies which are participating in the MSME lean scheme. Sir, in addition to the consultant which we have, our members have been active. In fact, OGTC members in a large number joined a delegation to Toyota, to Japan, to study it. Then people went to Bangladesh, the OGTC delegation, to study the aspect of this, so that the best practices all over the world can be implemented at OGTC member factories. Sir, in addition to the social initiatives which I am talking about, OGTC has also taken advantage and also is actively participating in the skill development initiatives which Government of India and your ministry is taking. And that is an exercise which is continues from tailor level to the top entrepreneur or CEO level, and all members are actively participating in that. So the interesting aspect of the training is that the tailor in the industry used to be trained in about 6 weeks or so. Through this conference, I also found a mentor who in a presentation said the tailor can be trained in 5 days. People didn't believe him. He showed a video also. Then we discussed with him, brought him here, and engaged him for training the trainers. And so you will be happy to know that now OGTC members are training the tailor in 5 to 7 days with the expertise provided by him. Similarly, there are other aspects in which the emphasis is on training the trainers so that in-house training can be started, because the number of people to be trained is huge. The OGTC members employ something about 40,000 people. So the in-house trainings have really become effective after the training of the trainers. Since we have been running on time, and I think to continue on being on time, I would be brief, as there are other aspects I believe Mr. Uppal will also cover. Thank you very much. Welcome you, sir, once again.